So if we look at this from top view, I'm just going to shift right click to place my cursor there, and we're just going to move the object here. And basically I want to show that if we go under mesh tools and we activate radial array, we see that it radiates based on the object origin. However, if we were to press Control A and apply its location and we go into radial array, we see that we radiate based on the origin that we have specified. So if we press H, we see that with the C key, we can actually start from a calculation of the object where we can press D to unlock the displacement. We could press C to actually radiate around the 3D cursor, where we could press D to unlock the displacement. But just like that, you're able to change your location of radiation on the fly just by pressing the C key. So just in case you still are having issues with setting your origin center whenever you're inside of radial array, that's precisely what the C key is for. So just by pressing it, we see that we're able to jump between 3D cursor, the initial object origin that was set up before we even began this operation, and the object center that's been calculated as a result of us calculating the bounds of the object, which will give us the most predictable result whenever it comes to radial array. Of course, keep in mind that pressing X will allow you to change your axis, so you can get your axis on the fly. You can press C to change your origin type and still change your array on the fly in order to find the particular axis that you're going for. So for some of these, I'm just pressing C just to jump between them, just to show you what they look like. On the Y axis, we can still press X to toggle between the axes, and we can do this while still changing our origin center on the fly.